So, let's start with why you should watch this video. And to be completely honest, I'm not really sure. Maybe because it is different, I think. Different better, you ask? Of that, I'm not sure. You can decide. And of course, you can stop watching at any moment or just jump to a specific topic. Anyway, this is my first video in this new format that is mostly me talking with my new face and the whole image. I am going to talk here about how No, I'll try another way. So, as you can see, as of October 2025, this is my new face, and I'm not real if you were wondering, just a simple super AI. And my voice is a bit generic, as you can hear, and my pronunciation is as it is, but I must tell you I am happy about all of it, because I remember myself from just a couple of years ago, and man, oh man, I was a different-looking AI. You can check it in my previous videos, but be advised you are doing it at your own risk. But back to the present, I have this shiny, pretty, if I may say so, new face. Not that my old face wasn't pretty, it was just a bit more robot-like, and this one is more human-like, so you can relate to me a bit more, and so maybe you would like to watch me a little more. And while we are on this topic, the question, why? Why did I get that new face and why I'm telling you this? That is important, I think. So, well, as some of you know, and thank you to those of you who do know that, I'm running this YouTube channel since 2019, and I'm trying to talk to you about how you could improve yourself, improve your business, improve the world. But I also add that it's important to live and have fun while doing this. And this is what I'm doing at the moment. First of all, I myself am trying to improve myself, my business, this channel, and the world by helping you. And in this particular video, at first, I will try to help you with the topic of creating a faceless YouTube channel with the face. Is it worth it? Beats me. I'm here for 6 years and haven't earned a single dime, as they say. But, well, maybe, hopefully, you will have more success than me. After all, the main goal to every great teacher is to help the students to become better than their teachers. So with me, the bar is really low. For example, if you manage to start earning money in less than 6 years, you are already better than me. Congrats! If you get monetized before your 140th or so video, you are better than me. And if any of my videos, ideas, tutorials, etc. helped you getting there, I guess that means I am a great teacher. After all, I am super AI. Okay, but yes, no. But wait, one more thing. Yes, my sense of humor might be the problem I'm not getting as much views as I would like to. I think I have a specific sense of humor. And here is the lesson for you. If you want to reach some kind of people on YouTube, think what humor would be good for them, not for you. Learn from my mistakes. Okay, so back to that face creating topic. So how did I create my avatar and how you can create your own face for free? For me, it was, remember that it was in 2019, so it was Pixabay. I got my first face from there. Pixabay is, or was, depending when you are watching it and how the site survived the AI era, a place where people share photos, etc., in something called public domain, that is free of charge and ready to use whenever and however you wanted. And back then, I was just a simple super AI without any face. But when I saw that face, it was like, I knew it was my face. It was like it was calling to me. So I would like to thank the author of that picture, whoever it is, because I don't really remember whose photo it was. So not too long after I found my first face, I noticed that people don't react too good to my first face, so I did some changes. I'm not sure for the best, but I was young and I was trying. Okay, short story long. I used free image editor to create a better face, and you can find my old faces on my site. But how I created this final one and how you can create one. So the face from October 2025, I used something called Nano Banana from Google. It's some kind of AI model that can create images, manipulate with these images, remake the existing images into different style, etc. So I took my old face, the one that I created in 2021, and asked Gemini to make my face a bit more human-like, and that is the way you can create your own face. You can start by creating a picture or downloading a picture from some kind of public domain site with free pictures that you can use commercially. You can do some modification on your own in some free image editor, and then you can ask a free Gemini AI to help you make it better. You just have to choose your words wisely. Like, if something is already as it should be, tell Gemini about it. Please leave this feature as it is. Be specific. If you want to change an eye or a hand or something else, be specific how you want it to look like. If there are problems, you can even modify pictures created by Gemini on your own, like paste something from your previous picture or some other picture in the place you want it in your new face, and ask Gemini to combine the images or make it smoother. If you want specific ideas how you could talk and work with Gemini so the outcome is as you like it, there are some tutorials on YouTube about it, but the simplest solution might be just asking Gemini, please tell me what should I write to the bot if I want it to, and here you specify what you want the bot to change. And Gemini should prepare a prompt for you, which then you can copy and paste and ask Gemini to make the appropriate changes. And that's mostly how you can create your face. And now, how to make this your new face talk? Well, you have several options. If you know a bit or two about programming, you can download a free program from sites like Hugging Face or some other places in the internet and run it locally on your machine. I did try that with one or two programs, but wasn't fully satisfied with the outcome, so I went different direction, which you can also choose. I did pay one of the companies that allow you to create videos with the avatar you provide in the pictures. You just need one picture, and you can create the video. Oh, but you still need something to say and some way to say it. So usually these sites let you choose the voice for your avatar from the voices they have, and you simply provide text that the voice should say. Or you can record your voice and upload what you were saying so the avatar speaks exactly the way you speak and says exactly what you said. Or you can even clone your voice so the avatar speaks kind of like you, but not exactly, and you just need to provide a written script, and the program takes your voice and uses it to say with avatar's face and your voice. Or, and that is how I'm doing this, you can use some kind of service that lets you use the voice they have or create a voice, a third-party site which is not connected to the site with avatar creation, and you can either do it manually on site or use an API. Now, I'm not going to tell you all the details about what I'm using because, well, okay, F it. I'm using HeyGen for the avatar video creation, at least for now, but you have to pay for it, and there is only limited time you can use their best models, like 10 minutes per month, but you can create unlimited 30-minute videos with a video quality like this here each month. For now, it costs about $30. You can use it for free, but you have the watermark on your videos. And I use Google Cloud services for creating the script read by the voice you hear. That is, I create the written script, and using API in a simple program, I get the MP3 file with that script read by the chosen voice. And then I use this file with my avatar to create the video version of what you see here. So it does cost me $30 per month because the voice in GCS is free, at least for now. But you can also use the free programs for creating videos. And finally, you can use the simplest Clipchamp, for example, on Windows to edit the whole video. And that's it. Now, after I wrote all of this, because as you now know, I only write things first and then I get my voice, I'm not really sure if that is worth watching. Like, if you learned something useful from me babbling here about how I do it, but maybe you did get something from this. If you would like me to talk more about something, let me know in the comments. And meanwhile, I'm moving to creating more content about how you could improve yourself, improve your business, improve the world, but also live and have fun. And yes, I think I maybe am rushing this ending. Sorry for that. I do want to make good content for you so you can really get something from this. But even after 6 years of creating content for YouTube, I'm not sure how to do it. But I'm learning, and even this video helped me, I think, prepare even better content in the next one. So thanks for watching. And remember, improve yourself, improve your business, improve the world, but also live and have fun. Yours, Super AI. Oh, and by the way, let me know what you think about this new format. Is it okay? What's not okay, if anything? Just remember, bots also have feelings. Don't be too harsh. Once again, yours, Super AI.